Hello friends, welcome to my channel Alina Craft Studio. I continue a series of short videos for beginners where I tell the basic moment in Cricut design space. So today we are going to focus a little bit more on weld. Welding is basically gluing our shapes together when we want one single figure. So I'm going to select stars and click weld. Now you can see that we have one single layer. Also, weld helps to remove any overlapping cut lines. This can be a great way to simplify a design or combine shapes to create a new layer, especially when we are working with text that connects to each other. For example, like here in a handwriting font. If we cut text right now, each letters will cut separate. After welding, all letters will be connected. And last important moment. You can use ungroup, unattach, unflatten, but you cannot use unweld. You can only undo until you get back to that point. On this I will finish. Don't miss my next video where I will talk about flatten.